What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Sunbucks card on Amazon. So if you're trying to use your Sunbucks card into Amazon, well, the great thing about this one is, directly speaking here, it's possible. But there are going to be some things that we need to understand. Now the thing with Sunbucks card here, usually they are intended for you to, or enable you to buy groceries or anything that you need at your home. So it is recommended that you use your cards only for something essentials. So usually in the Amazon app here, you have essentials here. Go open up the tab for it and just order whatever you need here. So that includes like toilet paper or anything that you need in your kitchen. So you could just start adding this into your cart and just use your Sunbucks card directly as you would when you're checking out. Now, if you try buying other items besides like essentials, this may actually block your card from being used in your Amazon account. So again, I would highly recommend you to buy, like for example, if you want to buy something else like other than essentials for in your Amazon account, maybe make that a separate transaction instead of you adding those like items that are not essentials into your current purchase here. So yeah. So to be speaking, in order for you to add your card into your Amazon account or Sunbucks card into your Amazon account, you want to go to your profile here, so or your account settings, and you want to go to the very bottom here. Click on your payments under your account, and you can just add your card here. So you can go and click on the card and account section, click on add, and just add your or use the add a credit or debit card here, and you could just, or you could either use that one, or you could use the option here, just add an EBT card. So either one here, try using that to add your Sunbucks card. And once you've added that, you could go and just start purchasing something. You go to your cart here, proceed to checkout, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.